I'm fine. Then what's about you?
Yeah, I'm also alright.
He's my brother and we have to join us in ASK Spoken Academy.
हो. सो जर तुम्ही उमरखेडमध्ये आले असतील आणि ASK अकॅडमीला भेट दिलीच नसतील तर तुम्ही खूप मागे आहात. सो बेसिकली आय वुड लाईक टू सजेस्ट यू द ASK अकॅडमी इन उमरखेड, ॲक्च्युली विच इज लोकेटेड इन उमरखेड. It will just benefit you. It is a beneficial academy, I could say, because we have learned many more things, many new things, and we have discovered lot of things in ASK Academy. So I would like to suggest you the ASK Academy for to speak in English. I mean,
Oh, then sir, what is the process of sir?
yeah, the ASK Academy. So you can go to sir and you can ask. Sir will explain each and every process in detail and each and every concepts in detail as well.
But is there any result of
Yeah,
ASK
it is.
Spoken English class?
Yeah, there is a result because I'll share my experience as I have joined ASK Academy in 8th class. Like you are in 8th class, so I have joined it in 8th class, and I was poor in English to communicate in English. But as I came to 9th class, even I went to the Hyderabad, and because of the Arjun Patil sir's English, I was selected over in Hyderabad Institute. So I would like to suggest you the ASK Academy because I'm sharing my experience, live experience with you guys. Because I feel it is beneficial. It was beneficial for me as well as it will be beneficial for you if you have focused. Yeah, ASK Academy is just in front of the Krishna temple, like on the Pusad Road.
On the Pusat Road.
Yeah, it's there.
On the there.
Yeah.
That on the that Riddhi supermarket.
This is the supermarket
Above
that.
Oh, is sir strict then?
No, sir isn't strict, but if you are not following his path or if you are not following his guidelines, so he might be strict.
Then what is the fees of spoken?
You can go to sir and you can ask about that because I don't know much more about fees or fee structure about tuition.
Is there classes from 1st to 7th standard
Yes, sir is conducting all the classes till 60 years old.
and from 8th to 10th standard?
Yeah, anybody can speak. I mean, anybody can come and
And what about the CBSE and state board, ICSE?
yeah, sir is
board?
also taking CBSE board, state board, as well as ICSE boards, each and every boards. He is actually taking in his way. He's not teaching like a teacher is teaching in a school. He is teaching by his own way. So you will be able to understand very easily.